Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West. This is a monthly clothing subscription. And this month it came in a really huge package. So let's see what's inside. Got a couple things wrapped, and then we get a sheet that tells us everything that's included and all the prices for it. So I'll set that off to the side. We're gonna open this first. Oh, so we got some jewelry in here. Oh, I think this is a top. Oh wow, this is really soft. Very, very soft. Heart and Hips plush sweater knit. I really like that. So that's the front of it, and the back has the little crisscross. And for the jewelry, see, bracelet. It looks like that. And then this package says we got some bottoms and a scarf. Oh, those are cute. French terry. These look nice and warm. It's a pretty cool pattern on them. Drawstring. And they go all the way down. We have some more jewelry pieces. We have some earrings. And a necklace. So every month you do get a top, a bottom, bracelet, necklace, and earrings. And this month we actually got a scarf as well. If you want to see previous months, I'll leave a playlist below so you kind of get an idea of what kind of stuff you can get. Of course, it's all tailored to your profile and your style. And then you don't have to keep the stuff you don't like, which is nice. So this is pretty. Has a little, I don't know if it picks up on camera, shimmery little pieces in it. So there's like blue, a yellowish gold color, like a pink, a purple. It's very pretty in person. Not sure if the camera is doing it justice or not, but I will go ahead and show you the sheet. So you get a little sheet like this every month. It shows you the prices of each item. So if you don't want something, you put it back in the same bag it came in, you put this slip in here, and then there's the return label that they automatically give you, and that's it. And then once they get it back, you'll only be charged for the stuff that you kept. So it's a pretty cool idea. You don't have to keep stuff if you don't want to. So like I said, I will put some information below and link some playlists in case you want to see some more unboxings from Nadine West. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.